What's up, guys? Does unnecessary hitch rattling annoy you as much as it does me? Today I'm going to install one of these hitch tighteners. I picked it up on Amazon. There are about a dozen different brands to choose from. I think they pretty much all do the same thing. Just a quick bolt-on solution. We'll make it a little more difficult to remove the stinger. In this truck I usually leave it connected anyway, so it's not going to be a problem. Snug it up by hand. Tighten it up with the socket. There we go. That's pretty rock solid. I'm impressed. See you guys next time.